This is A Squared at mathandstuff.com. The topic today is standard position, coterminal angles, and angles with negative and positive degrees. The link at the bottom of the first page will take you to mathandstuff.com on video, on which all the videos produced so far are listed. Today's topic is under pre-calculus. There's a video available on it and the Sketchpad that we will be using. You are welcome to download the Sketchpad or the video, edit it, keep it, do whatever you want with it. It's no cost to you. If you screw it up, mess it up, just download another one. I'm opening up my copy. I'm opening up my copy of the Sketchpad because I've downloaded it already. Notice I've renamed it so that I can edit it and still have a copy of it and still be able to download one if I wish. Angles in standard position have these characteristics. The vertex is at the origin. The initial side is on the positive x-axis, and the terminal side is anywhere on the plane, including the positive x-axis. Angles like this look a lot like angles like this, central angles, where the center of the circle would be at the vertex. The central angle and the arc it inscribes, it intercepts, are the same measure. In math, we call this standard position, and when you swing or turn in a counterclockwise direction, it's a positive. If, however, you turn the angle in a clockwise manner, that's a negative. So angles have negatives and positives. If you were in physics, we wouldn't have negatives and positives. It's all a positive value. You might name it relative to the degree measure. There is no 360 degrees. It goes back to 0. But one might name it relative to a degree or radian measure, or in terms of a compass position, or you could go north by northeast. Doesn't matter. That's a compass position also. Coterminal angles are two angles, and they need not be in standard position. Coterminal angles with the same vertex, the same initial side, and the same terminal side. Here I'm going to call them a green angle and a blue. I'm wiggling the green angle. Now it's as close to 0 degrees as I can get it. I'm going to swing it in a counterclockwise direction. That makes it positive. If instead I wish to swing it in a clockwise, that would make it negative. If I went in a counterclockwise direction and swung it so, turned it so it ended on the terminal angle of the blue angle, that's pretty close. That's what I can get them here. These angles are now coterminal. They have the same vertex, initial side, and terminal side. I could, if I wished, go up to the blue angle and around, another complete revolution, rotation. If I did that, then I would just be adding another 360 degrees to the angle measure. I could do that as many times as I wish. If instead I went up to the angle and then went a clockwise rotation, that's all negative, I would end up with an angle that is negative and it doesn't get all the way to 360. So, angles in standard position have the vertex on the origin, the initial side, always on the positive X, and the terminal side anywhere on the plane. In math, counterclockwise is positive, clockwise is negative. In physics, there is no negative. It's relative to 0 being at the vertical or north, and east is 90, south is 180, and so on. Coterminal angles are angles with the same initial side and the same terminal side, and you can spin them or turn them as many times as you want. That's everything you need to know. Have a good day.